When you've just turned on your Pure 3 system, the inverter will default to the on setting. What the inverter does is takes energy from the Pure 3 battery pack and converts it into 110 volt electricity for your microwave and air conditioner and 110 volt outlets. The inverter also, in a standby state, does use some power just to maintain itself being on from the battery. You can conserve your battery and extend your dry camping time by turning the inverter off when it's not in use. That's done here at the inverter control panel. Simply press the display button to wake up the display if it's not already illuminated, and then press the on-off button, and your inverter is off. You'll still have 12 volt power throughout the coach for all of your lights, USB outlets, etc., but your 110 volt power won't be available. To restore your 110 volt power, simply press the display button if the display is dark, and then press that center button again, and your 110 volt power is restored.